So my name is Chris Childs. I'm the development manager for Braeburn School. So I'm involved with new projects and initiatives for the group. Okay, so Braeburn School, hopefully we're very well known in this region. We're a group of international schools operating in East Africa, Kenya and Tanzania. We've been around for 42 years now. We have 9 campuses across the region and about 3,500 students in our schools at the moment. So as an institution, Braeburn Schools take environmental sustainability very seriously. So we have a number of initiatives. We try to recycle a lot of our rubbish. On a number of our campuses we have wetland schemes, so we're able to recycle and reuse our water. So why we chose to invest in solar, one of the main reasons, as I sort of already said, is because it very much ties in with our mission, our values, the sustainability that we wish to kind of promote as an institution. Another reason is it's very important not only to us but to our students and our families. And of course there's also a financial benefit to it as well. There's a return on investment. Okay, so what we have here is a solar PV system, a grid tie system. So what the solar does is it complements, if you like, the power we get from KPLC. So it reduces the amount of our reliance on the grid, and obviously we're generating a lot of power ourselves through solar. So the factors that we considered when making a decision about the product and the supplier. So one, what we actually felt that we needed as an institution. We approached a number of companies to see what they would suggest we did. Obviously, what the cost was a factor in all of that, and as well as the other thing to look for is equipment that's being used. So we wanted, for instance, tier 1 solar panels, Fronius or SMA inverters, who are sort of considered the market leader. We thought it was important because this is an investment for the next 20 years. We felt it was very important to do it right in the first instance. So Chloride Exide, they're all in the project. So they designed, procured, installed and commissioned the system. So it was very much a sort of a turnkey solution for us. As I say, we approached a number of companies and eventually chose to go with Chloride Exide, and it's been a very positive experience, I would say. So the benefits we've experienced. So the nice thing about solar is you get to monitor the performance of the system online from your computer or your mobile phone, and you can see real time the savings that you've made, the amount of CO2 emissions that you saved having invested in the system. So those are the benefits really. And also there's a certain feel-good factor for the students and an educational factor as well. The students and our sort of families.